Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm Roger, and this is the Hot Dang Show. White Lightning. It is created by FUEGO Spice Company, the Choco Challenge. Yeah, well, this year FUEGO Bots released the second Choco Challenge by teaming up with Feeding America to help end hunger. And it said here, 50 meals donated per bar sold. Wow, that's an awful lot of meals for this tiny little box. The White Lightning, white chocolate infused with 12 of the world's hottest pepper. I wonder what pepper they're talking about. We get to that part later. For every Choco Challenge bar purchased, 50 meals will be donated to the local food bank to end hunger. And each purchase that comes with a little card. It said, welcome to the Choco Challenge, 50 meals donated per bar. And the back of it, it said here, enter to win a year of hot sauce. Well, you gotta eat it, frame it, and share it. I will put information below, and you can check out their website. Again, information will be below in my description, and check it out yourself. But I'm ready to get started. You must be insane to consume this pain. More information. Oh, this is pretty cool. Got a little skull, just like a box. Let's see, I think that got there into it, right? Yeah, like it. Anyway, let's give one box. See what it looks like inside. Here it is. Wow. Looky here. Got a lot of pepper blend here. Look at this. Wow. Buttery. I can smell the buttery white chocolate. That smells so good. Annually, 12 pepper blend is created exclusively for the Choco Challenge by a mad scientist, Smoky Ed Curry, a Peckerbeck company, and featuring 12 of the world's hottest pepper. And I do have that information here. Oh boy. Anyway, it got Chocolate Reaper Yuga, The Razor, Chocolate Brutla, Chocolate Reaper Narrow, 7-pot Degular Brown X Reaper, Chocolate Brute X Reaper, Fluorescent Mustard Scorpion, Pepper Rye, Pepper Yea Later, Chocolate Brutla X Chocolate Reaper, Karma Scotch Bonnet UFO, Karma Reaper Yuga. Oh, what a mouthful. Alright. Let's have a taste. Wow. Wow, it's so delicious and so hot. Oh yeah, I think it's definitely hotter than last year. Last year, they had Pepper X. Wow. I'm eating the pepper flakes in here. So buttery, creamy, white chocolate. This is the most delicious yet. Even though personally I love dark chocolate, but white chocolate, wow. It's definitely hot. Okay. Oop, drop one. Okay. Oop. Yes, I know, I have a lot of them. There's no way I can afford these. But I have few anonymous supporters, and they wish to be anonymous. And so we all decided to join together to support the cause. And plus one special box, this here. Even more. So right now I have a total of, I think, 40. I believe I have 40 of them. Let's eat them all. Whew. Oh, I'm nipping already. I only had one. Oh yeah, I'm looking up a good threat here. You see my pain meter go up. You probably see somewhere each box I eat, it would show how many donations have given out so far. I think it's time to take my glasses off. Whew. The pepper blend down here, definitely hotter. 5. Wow. It's hot. I'm on a 5. Ooh. Ooh. Love them. I'm buzzing. Keep building up. Man, it's thick. Ah. So rich. I'm getting full. $13. $14. My mouth is on fire. All over my face. It's coating around my tongue. My throat. $15. Wow, a lot of chocolate. Boom, boom, boom. 16. A lot of pepper. I'm sorry, I lost count. This is 18, right? $20 here. I don't know if I could do any more. $20 is good. Okay, Google, what's 20 times 50?
The answer is 1,000.
Okay. So far, we help donate 1,000 meals. Wow. I'm high. Definitely high up there in capsaicin. I really want to do 40. But I knew gonna be a tough one. I think 20 is good. I'm happy. Wait a minute. Let me do 21. Let's do one more. Ooh. Ah. 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 Whoop. $21. Ah. Wait a minute. Let me do 22. That's my high school football number. I was the tailback, running back. I was 22. Oh. They get way harder than anticipated. It build and build. The first 5, it was easy. But I'm gonna call it 22. All right, Google. Okay, Google. What's 22 times 50?
The answer is 1,100.
All right, 1100. Ah.
Sorry, the max volume is only 10. So, what level do you want to set it to?
Google, shut up. Wow. Help support Feeding America by purchasing one of these at FUEGO Box. More information below. Just click on the link. That's it. I'm done. 22. I think that's all for the show for now. I'll see you next time on the Hot Damn Show. Woo. Ah. Wow. I'm full.